Morning, guys. So got our coffee up a little bit early. It's 9 o'clock and we're already on the road, and we are going today to Black Balsam Knob up in the Pisgah National Forest. And this will be the first time for the kids and the first time for Brooke. I've done the Art Loeb Trail before, so this won't be my first time, but I've certainly missed it. And if you don't know about Black Balsam Knob, it's a gorgeous, it's a open ball basically, and you get to hike for miles up in the high country of the Southern Appalachians. And obviously when it's bald, you don't have any trees around and the views are unbelievable. So we're gonna see if we can fly the drone a little bit and get some good footage. But right now we're headed into Franklin to get a little bite to eat.
All right. Hey, can y'all say good morning?
Good morning.
Morning, Tallulah. Say good morning.
This is also Tallulah's first hike with us, and it'll be Beckett's first 6,000 foot peak. This is the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's gonna be Townley's first time on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Go all the way to Virginia on this road, Tam.
A little bit of color.
Yeah, there is. All right, so we stopped on the Blue Ridge Parkway to eat a little breakfast, and not the healthiest option. We went to McDonald's, which we don't normally do, but sometimes it's all right. And I'm glad that we waited a second. We were gonna try to get it on 64, but we couldn't find a good overlook. But here is our view for breakfast. Hey guys. This is the Rab Knob overlook. We're at elevation 3725, so we're up in elevation a little bit. You can still hear some cars. Beautiful up here. Certainly one of my favorite spots on the parkway. What you think, Beck?
Yeah.
Good time?
Yep. Oh. Kind of dangerous.
A little bit. Just have to go slow. Nice and tight right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's cool. Pretty much, yeah.
Here's the easy part.
So Tallulah's first hike, and it is a good one.
Great.
Good job, girl.
Jackson Storm.
Yeah, Jackson Storm. What do you think about it, Beck?
Yeah.
Good?
Like Jackson Storm.
I don't know. I don't think Jackson Storm's up here. Yeah, go up that way. There's a cliff right there, baby. did it, buddy.
Woohoo! Made it.
Let's go get your official summit. It's gonna be right up here.
Oh, see my summit?
It's gonna be right around those rocks. Look for a little metal plaque in the ground. Oh, there it is. That's it. Touch it. You did it. Yay. Good job, Tia.
Okay. All right, we're in the car. We just finished our hike, and Townie wants to give us a recap. What'd you think?
It was cool.
What was your favorite part?
Hiking up to the top.
To the top? What did it feel like at the top?
Felt like I was up in the sky.
Yeah, it's pretty neat, huh?
It was pretty windy.
Yeah. Good. Well, I'm glad you had a good time. Did you like it, Beck?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what an afternoon of hiking will do to you. They're gone. But you're not.